Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This unfurnished 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom with 1,662 square feet of living space home comes complete with living, dining, kitchen and laundry room and a carport. Features includes quartz countertops in the open concept kitchen, glass showers, quartz countertops with porcelain undermount sinks, brushed nickel facets in the luxurious bathrooms. The open floor are enhanced by smart features such as a solar water heater with electrical backup, ceiling fans in all the bedrooms. Residents and their guests to this gated community can enjoy amenities such as 24-hour security, a Wi-Fi connected community, access to the clubhouse, which includes a gym and infinity swimming pool overlooking the beautiful Caribbean Sea and surrounding area, tennis court, exercising trail. The location of this house is in Pyramid Point, Ocho Rios, and the monthly cost to rent this is US 1,800 or Jamaican $277,000. Now, let's take a quick look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.